Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, February the 7th. My name is Barry Anerson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is the address to get into the free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to join our free trading room. I share my screen all day long and I'm live on the mic. I usually start right around 9 o'clock Eastern Time and go to 3:30 Monday to Thursday and 3 o'clock on Fridays. This is a link for a subscription to Trade Ideas, and I'm going to have to keep telling you, we're having our price increase on February the 15th, and it's going up about 21 to 22% depending on the subscription that you take. So just be aware. So there is a link for a subscription right there. All right, well, another exciting day in the trading room. Let's see what I did today, and we'll talk about a couple of things that other posters did, other subscribers did. I took this GNMX. This came on the momentum less than 10 window. Look at the big volume that came into it. And I think I got all excited about it because I looked at the daily. Back this out a little bit. Yeah, see that? Look at that daily. So when I saw this, the alert I think was around 2:30ish or so. I got in at 2:39, but I said, you know, if it can take out this 250, which is right around there, 252, which it did, but it just didn't continue. Unfortunately, got to 266. But I'll be definitely watching this tomorrow. In fact, I should set my alert again, say 255. To say that, because look at the void. I mean, if this can catch some more steam tomorrow, then it can really start attacking this void, this gap right there. But at any rate, what I did was I took the trade right about here. It was 239. Right there. Well, right up here. Wow. That's close enough. Took the trade right here. Look what it did. I mean, it popped up. And again, on a percentage basis, I mean, I love to say I got rid of everything up there. Not quite. But on a percentage basis, I mean, that was just a great, quick trade. I mean, that's really the other thing, too, is that, you know, this is a 15-minute candle. That took less than 15, believe me. I took some out at 257, 261, and 249, and then I, you know, completely got out. I was holding on here, hoping that maybe it could pop up, or right here, sorry, that it could pop up again. But anyway, this is definitely one to be watched tomorrow. But a great early trade that many of us in the room took. Now here's kind of my little star. Is Ari. Now I'm still in it, but let me. This stock right now it's not, but I mean up at this point it was an all-time high, all right? So it's not quite, oh, just a second. I always forget to do this, get the symbol linking so I can see my, on my other monitor. Yeah, so this at one, well, all through here was a lifetime high as it was moving up. So when I looked at this, I thought, okay. Normally what I do is I let it break that whole number. You know, that's what it did in the pre-market. It got up to 1710 in the pre-market. It was just kind of spotty around. The market opened. Look at it, dropped all the way down to almost 16, and then it just started to rip. So I don't want to say I broke a rule, but I decided to take this. The market was, of course, doing quite well at the time. And so I decided to take this right here, 1687. Okay, and I have sold some on the way up. I've sold at well, my top sell was at 1774, right up here. I don't have very much left. Sold some right up here. Don't have very much left. I was saying in the room, that's why I could withstand that big pullback. You know, I mean, that would have, if I hadn't sold anything, I would have maybe started to gag a little bit and panic, but I was able to hold on through this, and it popped up back almost immediately. Now it is definitely starting to fade again. So, you know, I had half a mind that if it closed near the high of the day, and especially taking out 18, you know, I might have even swung this one, but I'll have to see what I'm going to do. I don't have very much of this left, so you know, won't concern me even if it went down to 17. it wouldn't really concern me. But that definitely was a nice trade. ICHR did not work out for me. I tried to short this one. Oops, ICHR. Tried to short this one right here. This, just 1 second, please. All right, sorry about that. I did take a call. Hopefully we're live again here. So I did try to short this one, and I got knocked out. I took the short just underneath 27, and it moved down a little bit, and then it popped up. So I took a little loss on that. And notice now it is starting to move down. And then the other one, the MHCP. This is an interesting one. MHCP. It's not MHCP. Sorry, MCHP. Sorry about that. MCHP. So this was a bit of a struggle right there. There's the 200-day moving average. It's an earnings play. You can see that the reaction to earnings after hours yesterday, not good. There's the move area. There's the pre-market. And, you know, it was look at the topping tails, bottoming tails, topping tails, bottoming tails, and it was just sort of, a couple of times it went down to the 200-day moving average, and then it popped up. Anyway, I know Real took this one just underneath 86. I ended up taking it right about here, close enough, on the short it right there. And boy, then once it finally started to move, it did come up a little bit, and I was wondering, oh man, is it going to again challenge that 200-day? But then it finally started to drop. I actually got out at 84.42, so over $1. So right about here, over $1 in the first bit, and then as it as it moved up, I got out just underneath 84.77, and it's coming back down again. You know, the market looked like it was going to start to move down. You can see what the SPY was doing. You know, so it was a little bit soft this morning. There's where it closed. So it was looking like it was going to have a weak open, but it popped up, and you know, a lot of nice long trades. And then this 45 minutes, a lot of short setup. You know, so you've got to be very careful to see what's, especially now, the market is pretty volatile. But you can start taking advantage of, you know, some trends. There's a 45-minute trend. That's not bad. You know, and a lot of shorts started to set up. Anyway, that's about it. Another exciting. Oh, you know what? I did want to show the Weight Watchers, because Weight Watchers, this kind of. Let me get the chart up again. This one was pretty crazy. Okay, just got to drag the chart over here. Okay, so Weight Watchers, and I know Real took this one, and several others in the room took this. Now, the crazy thing is that I was saying, hey, look at Weight Watchers, guys. Saw it right about here. I said, you know what? This is like a little red bar ignored on the 15-minute chart. It's starting to form, and literally within, I don't know, 30 seconds, it did this. No, well, not all this, of course, but it just popped up so quickly, and I just was not able to take advantage of it. Admittedly, I was wrapped up on the Airy trade and a couple others, but nonetheless, this was just a sensational one. I guess what they're doing is they're offering free memberships to teenagers. They're trying to get them hooked early. I guess that's a good marketing plan. And you know, I think there was other aspects to the press release that came out, but this absolutely caused this one to soar. So anyway, that is now it. So let me just bring back the capture program. And again, if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. The link for the free trading room. And this is a subscription link. Remember, the price increase about 22% starting on February 15th. So, you know, if you're an existing subscriber, you don't have to worry. And if you're not a subscriber yet, but you subscribe before the 15th, you'll still lock in the old rates. I'll open the room tomorrow at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I'll start to share my screen then, and I get live a little on the mic just a little bit after that. So I hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.